गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज हम क्लास 12 साइंस मैथ्स वन मैथ्स वन का मैथमेटिकल लॉजिक ये चैप्टर देखेंगे। तो इस चैप्टर में हम फर्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट देखेंगे स्टेटमेंट। तो स्टेटमेंट क्या है? स्टेटमेंट स्टेटमेंट मीन्स a statement is a declarative. A statement is a declarative or a statement is a declarative or assertive sentence which is either true which is either true or false which is either true or false which is either true or false but not both but not both simultaneously but not both simultaneously इसका स्टेटमेंट। तो स्टेटमेंट मीन्स क्या होता है? सेंटेंस दैट इज असरेटिव सेंटेंस और डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस which is either true or false but not both simultaneously is called statement and statement is denoted by small letter P Q R etc. Now its truth value. If statement is true, then its truth value is T. If statement is true, then its truth value is T. If statement is false, then its truth value is F. तो देखो स्टेटमेंट यानी क्या होता है? स्टेटमेंट इज अ डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस आर assertive sentence which is either true or false but not both simultaneously and it is denoted by small letters P Q R. Statement has two values, truth value T and truth value false. If statement is true, then its truth value is T. If statement is false, then its truth value is F. Declarative or assertive sentence means the sentence whose construction, that is S V O, like this: subject, verb and object. That is declarative or assertive sentence. तो एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, सन राइजेस इन द ईस्ट sun rises in the east. It is a declarative sentence or assertive sentence. It is a declarative sentence. ये declarative sentence है. Therefore, it is statement. It is statement. Sun rises in the east. देखो ये स्टेटमेंट 2 है. सन राइजेस इन द ईस्ट. तो सूरज है, सूरज जो है जो पूरब की तरफ निकलता है, तो ये स्टेटमेंट है 2. देयरफॉर इट्स ट्रूथ वैल्यू, इट्स ट्रूथ वैल्यू इज T. Its truth value is T. Second example, 5 into 2, 11. 5 into 2, 11. ये भी स्टेटमेंट है. इट इज स्टेटमेंट. इट इज स्टेटमेंट. बस ये फॉल्स है. 5 into 2 10 आता है. 5 into 2 10 आता है. therefore its truth value is F. Its truth value is F. Third, every triangle has 3 sides. Every triangle has 3 sides. Every triangle has 3 sides. It is a assertive sentence. Therefore, it is statement. It is statement. Every triangle has 3 sides. Triangle को 3 sides रहती है. Therefore, its truth value is T. Its truth value is T. These are the example of statement. And if statement is true, truth value is T. If statement is false, then truth value is F. Which sentences are not statement? Interrogative sentence. Then exclamatory sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Are interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and imperative sentence are not statement. Interrogative, exclamatory and imperative. Imperative sentence में आता है come on, order, request and suggestion. Common order, request and suggestion. ये imperative sentence में आता है. तो interrogative sentence यानी क्वेश्चन वाले जो सेंटेंस है वो exclamatory sentence and imperative sentence are not statement. Example, please give your pen. Please give your pen. Please give your pen. इस सेंटेंस में रिक्वेस्ट है यानी इंपरेटिव सेंटेंस है. हाँ, सेंटेंस में क्या है? रिक्वेस्ट मीन्स इंपरेटिव सेंटेंस. देयरफॉर नॉट स्टेटमेंट. Second, what is your name? ये क्वेश्चन मार्क है यानी इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस है. देयरफॉर नॉट स्टेटमेंट. ये है imperative और ये है interrogative. Therefore not statement. Therefore not statement. And third one is open the window. Open the window. ये भी imperative sentence है. Therefore not statement. For what a beautiful place it is. What a beautiful place it is. ये जो है exclamatory sentence है. Exclamatory sentence है. Therefore not statement. The sentence which are not statement, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence and exclamatory sentence are not statement. Imperative, interrogative and exclamatory. Imperative means command, request, order, suggestion. The sentence which start from verb, that is imperative sentence. इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस में जिसमें हम क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं वो इंट्रोगेटिव. और एक्सक्लेमेटरी में जहाँ पे व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस इज, व्हाट ए, हाउ, इससे जो स्टार्ट होते हैं वो एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. तो ये जो सेंटेंसेस है ये नॉट स्टेटमेंट रहते हैं. Open sentences are not statement. Open sentences are not statement. Now open sentences means if truth value of any sentence is depend upon situation, such sentences are called open sentence. Such sentences are called open sentence. And open sentences are not statement. Open sentences are not statement. Open sentences are not statement. I will say example. X by 2 minus 9. 3x by 2 minus 9 equal to 0. If x equal to 6, it is true. But if x is not equal to 6, it is false. Therefore it is open sentence. Therefore it is not statement. 3x by 2 minus 9 equal to 0. Here if we put x equal to 6, then statement is true. But if x is not equal to 6, then statement is false. Therefore it is an open sentence, and open sentences are not statement. Second, He is tall. He is tall. Here he is tall. Here we cannot determine truth value. We cannot determine truth value. Therefore, not statement. Therefore, not statement. Third, mathematics is an interesting subject. Mathematics is an interesting subject. Mathematics is an interesting subject. Here, answer is varies from person to person. Answer is varies from person to person. Here, answer is varies from person to person. Therefore, it is open sentence. Therefore, it is open sentence. Therefore, it is not statement. Therefore, it is not statement.